Hi, my name is Yvonne Potter. I'm a screenwriter based between London, New York and Krakow, Poland. In the fall of 2023, Polish award-winning film director Jan Pimatoszyński posted a blurb across social media that he would mentor the Film Spring Open 2023 green commercial ad campaign for Visit Małopolska, Poland, and that Film Spring Open were running a competition for Best Audiovisual Proposal. Now, I've been following Jan's career since 2013 after having watched his award-winning HBO documentary Deep Love, and I jumped at the chance to submit my proposal given my ancestral roots in the area. As a foodie myself, I focused on adventures with local specialities as well as produce and the concept of bringing back foods from a place that is dear to us. To those unfamiliar with Poland, the region of Małopolska is located in the southern part of the country. It is a dynamic destination and year after year the most frequently visited. Out of all the pitches received, Visit Małopolska, Poland, Film Spring Open and Jan deliberated. They approved 2 audiovisual ad campaigns. I and another participant officially won. During the 10-day workshop in October, I had the full support of FSO, Jan's mentorship, a dream team cast and crew made up of professional participants attending FSO, as well as utilising Film Spring Open's state-of-the-art equipment. Now it's the time to share the 60-second ad with you, and I do hope you enjoy and share it. From the bottom of my heart, I wish Film Spring Open a successful 19th year, and I look forward to seeing you there later this year. Peace out.